In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in with a different account to Outlook. Whether you're managing multiple email accounts or simply need to switch users, this tutorial will guide you through the process effortlessly. Let's dive right in and make the task of juggling between accounts a breeze. First, we need to open Outlook, so fire up your preferred browser and navigate to the Outlook sign-in page. Once you have opened Outlook and you're on the main screen, direct your attention to the top right corner. You will notice your profile icon sitting quietly above the main interface. This icon represents the current account logged in, and it's our starting point for switching to a different one. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This click is essential as it opens up a small drop-down menu with several options related to your profile. The option we're interested in here is labeled as Sign in with a different account. This feature is particularly useful when you want to seamlessly switch between different email accounts without having to log out completely every time. Find this option in the drop-down and click on it to proceed with the switch. After selecting Sign in with a different account, you will be greeted with some on-screen prompts. These prompts are designed to smoothly guide you through the entire sign-in process. It's a step-by-step user-friendly experience, so take it in stride. You'll likely be asked to enter the credentials of the account you wish to switch to, so make sure you have these ready. Input the email address and password of the new account you would like to access. Be attentive to any additional security steps, such as verification codes or authentication challenges that might pop up, particularly if the account has enhanced security measures in place. Completing this process will successfully log you into the new account, and you'll be all set to start handling emails from the newly signed in profile. Navigating between different accounts is more intuitive than ever with these simple steps. Now, if you ever need to revert to the previous account or switch to yet another one, just repeat these actions. By regularly following this routine, you'll find that managing multiple accounts becomes second nature. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've learned how to sign in with a different account